people have been asking me how they will get used to reading messages from emails and get paid. So I've actually done a little video about this. Then it's going to be a complete detailed one and a very short one about this read email and get paid. Okay, all you're going to be doing on this particular update is just you're going to be reading email and get paid. And how you just read any email, they're going to be sending you emails once in a day, and the moment you read it, you get paid automatically. All right. Now, just like you've seen here, I've already had $3.10, and this is about 4 to 3 days I did reading of this email. Any email you attach this with, this is the email that are going to be sending you companies emails to access it. The moment you access it, spam, they pay you immediately. Okay. Now, it's also a survey. Okay, it's also a survey. You really want to do surveys with them, you can just go ahead and do surveys with them. Okay, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, my name's Real Coach Bliss, and all we talk about on these platforms is just business tips and money making updates, how you're going to be making real money and real quick, actually very easy, simple and free. So in this channel we detail all the topics we talk about to the point that layman, anybody who doesn't even know about that topic, will get to get used to it and start working on the top or the tutorial actually. So if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please kindly click on the channel subscription board, subscribe, then click on your notification bell, because once I drop updates, you're gonna be the first person to be updated, then come across for it. Okay. All right. I usually tell my followers and my subscribers that any update I drop here, they should find their way to verify those updates properly before they put in your time or put in your money in any of the updates. Okay. All right, I run a WhatsApp group and a Telegram group where people who really want to know what's up, who really want to be doing what you want to do, who are really active in when it comes to free paying updates, and when it comes to money making updates and business tips, they are really really active. So you're going to be seeing a lot of them, and you work with them, and in that group too you still have a lot of time to talk with me, ask me questions, as much as you're going to be asking questions on the description of this video today. So what other things we do on that group, you are going to be seeing a lot of screenshots based on any other updates we talk about. All right, so it is very very essential you join the group. I'm going to be pinning the link to the group on the comment section. Please do well to click and join. All right, now all I want you on this tutorial today is you're going to be sitting down to the end of this tutorial, because at the end of this tutorial there's eventually actually something I'm going to be showing you that you will do to remain successful on this particular tutorial. So you have to stay to the end of this tutorial. Okay, now let's quickly rush into the business of the day. All right, what we are talking about today is we are going to be talking about how you're going to read emails and get paid. Okay, now those emails are being sent to your main email box. Now any email you attached while registering this platform, that's the email they're going to be sending you mails to, and that's the email you'll be seeing the messages, the mails they will send to you. Then all you need to do is quickly time yourself, because it's usually on the 24 hours of the day. Every 24 hours they're going to be sending you emails, and the moment you click on the emails, it takes you back to this platform. Then once you open it, you get paid immediately. You don't really need to stress yourself. So I'm going to be giving you my reviews, then show you the emails I've read and how much I've gotten on from this platform. I just started just 3 days ago, and I've made like about 3 point something dollars already. So I'm just going to be showing you how you get to the emails you will read. Then I'm going to be dropping the link to this platform on the description of this video in case you really want to join this platform. It is lifetime, and it's very very interesting. I'll also tell you the minimum withdrawal from this platform. The withdrawal you get to, then you'll be able to withdraw to your bank or your wallet address. Okay, now let's quickly rush. Let me show you the example of what I mean. Now before I proceed, there's also surveys here. In case you want to pop into surveys, there are surveys here. You can go ahead and go over to surveys questions. But basically what I concentrate on this platform is just reading of emails and getting paid. Okay, let me quickly show you the emails I've read so far and how much and how they paid me. This is my email. As you can see, This one was sent to me on the 15th, just yesterday. As of just yesterday, I'm actually doing this video right now on the 16th of this month, but this particular email was sent to me on the 15th. Then let me just open it and show you what the content is. Look at what it said: paid to read email. All right, all I need to do is just click on the confirm icon. Now it's going to be taking me down to the platform again, and once it takes me down to the platform, I'll just click on confirm the paid email, and it will open. Once it opens, just scroll, like scroll, take your time a little more bit and read what the text is all about. That's it. But today they've not sent me an email for today because it has not completed 24 hours. They usually send emails only 24 hours of the day. So by the time it's 24 hours, they're going to be sending me emails to read for the day. Then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and go back to this platform again. Then um look at what they'll be sending me a message saying thank you for reading the paid email. I want to send me a message, thank you for reading the paid email. Automatically they've credited me on this platform. Now let's go down a little more bit and check where the quick start is. That's the cash, that's your payment. This is where it is. Of course you can see that I've already gotten $3.10. Okay, now like I said, I had started since 3 days, and based on my reviews on this platform, it is excellent and so worth watching out for. Okay, so I'll encourage you, go for this platform. It is so interesting. It's not really, it's not really, it's not really stressful. All you need to do is just go ahead and check your emails. Whatever email you match with this platform with, after 24 hours you just go and check if they've sent you an email. All right, now let me show you another email they sent to me on this platform. Sorry, let me show you another email that's been sent to me on this platform. So like you seen, they sent me on the 15th. Okay, they still sent me on they still sent me another mail right now. So I'm going to be going through the email right now. So let me just confirm this email. Okay, now look at the email they sent to me. Confirm reading the email. Let me confirm it. Let me confirm it. Okay, I've confirmed it. I've confirmed it. Then you go back. You go back. You go back. Hold on. I'm going to go back to the platform. Then look at it. Thank you. Your account has already been credited for reading the paid email. They've automatically credited me. The moment you click on the email, now take note, this is where you're seeing the email, where you see confirm reading this paid email. That is where at first you go to your email after 24 hours, then checking the email on 24 hours. Once you go to your email, you see a message they've sent to you. Just click on it. It will take you down to this platform. Okay, once it takes you down to this platform, scroll down a little bit, you see where they said confirm reading the paid email. You tap on it, that's all. And once it opens, help me take a little more time to scroll down to it. Take a little more time, scroll down to it. You can just read what it said. It's not necessarily you're going to be registering anything. Then come back to this platform, you'll be receiving a message that said thank you, your account has already been credited for reading this paid email. That's all you have to do. Then you come down. All right, okay, that's it. But my money has increased there, right? So before it was 3.10, now it's 3.12. That means I've been paid for today. Now let's check out the withdrawal section of it. You see a three dots line. Okay, so hold on a little bit, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, just click on your cash, it will open. If you don't want to stress yourself, now you see where they say request for payment. Read a little down of it. You see under it, you see where they said you must earn at least $15 to request for payment. All right, they will pay you the moment you get to the payment requirements. All right, they will pay you. So do not fear, this is a legit update. It's a legit platform. It's been in existence. All right, all you need to do is just go ahead and read your emails and get paid. The emails they're going to be sending to you, just read it properly, scroll down through it, and you're getting paid. You don't need to stress yourself. Like I rightly said, this platform equally runs a survey. Okay, in case you want to go down to their surveys and earn more points, you can go ahead. You don't need VPN, you don't need proxy. This is very, very accessible. Just go ahead if you want to. All right, but make sure, based on our previous lecture, based on our previous tutorial, I taught you that for you to get an adequate survey profile, you must make sure you fix your profiles properly based on the first questions they will ask you. If you're able to fix them properly, you are good to go in your surveys. Okay, especially these surveys that Nigerians can access. All you need to do is go ahead and answer the first questions they're going to be asking you properly. And these are the questions they will be using to set your profile. I remember I had once said on the tutorial that the questions they'll be sending to you are equally based on your profile, based on the particular one of the surveys I mentioned. I made mentions to the Trabal. I said the questions they'll be sending to you is based on your profile. So if eventually you want to go ahead and do a surveys on this platform, you are going to be setting your profiles properly. But if you don't want to do a survey, just go ahead and keep reading the mails. That's the main thing we are here for. Okay, just go ahead and confirm the mails and get paid. Don't always be quick to make quick money. All right, it's going to be a little bit slow, but you must get to your $15 and withdraw. It is legit. Okay, all right. If this tutorial is so helpful to you, please, I beg you, share this tutorial, share this video to people. There are people who really need to know. There are platforms you just actually need to read all your mails and get paid. Please share this tutorial to them so that it is going to be getting to them. Then they will hop into it. Okay, please share, like, please share, because once you share, YouTube algorithm is going to be pushing this video over, right? Please share, like, comment. Okay, now let's forget any question you have about this platform. Comment on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this platform. Tell me if you're going to be doing it. Just use the word paid email. Tell me if you're going to be doing this, you're going to be trying this platform. Okay, I'll be here to respond to you adequately. And do not forget, I'm going to be pinning the link to my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group on the description of this tutorial. Please do not forget to click. We are doing a lot of interesting thing on that group. Join us. Okay, I love you so much, and this is all for educational purpose. Do not forget, I love you and I care so much about you. Share and like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for pretty updates like this. My name remains Coach Bliss. Bye bye.